In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most of Miro to enhance your visual workspace for innovation. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflows or just get a bit more organized in your creative endeavors, this guide will provide you with a clear path forward. First, let's start with accessing Miro. Head over to the Miro sign-in page. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your credentials. If you're new, you'll need to set up an account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. This is your central hub where all of your active boards and projects live. It's a busy place, but don't worry, it's designed to keep everything within reach and easy to find. Now that we're on the dashboard, the next step is to explore the templates. Templates in Miro are a fantastic way to jumpstart your projects. They provide structured frameworks that can guide your work, whether you're making a project timeline or a mind map. Spend some time browsing through these templates. When you find one that fits your current project needs, select it. This step is crucial because choosing the right template will give your workflow a robust foundation and helps in keeping everything organized and visually compelling. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to get creative and make it your own. Access your selected template, and know that this is where you can edit to suit your project's specific requirements. Dive in and start customizing. Change colors, adjust shapes, add text boxes. There's a wide array of tools and options available within Miro to tailor the template to precisely what you envision. After customizing the template, you can add more personal elements like photos, stickers, and emojis to the visual board. This is a great way to inject some personality or highlight important points within your project. Adding photos can give visual clarity and context, while stickers and emojis can emphasize specific areas or simply make the board more engaging and fun for all collaborators. Experiment with these features to ensure your board not only conveys the necessary information, but also resonates on a more human level. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively navigated Miro, explored its template offerings, customized them to fit your project, and added personal touches with photos and stickers. Miro is a powerful tool that, when used effectively, can transform how you visualize and organize your ideas. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful as you enhance your online collaboration and creativity. If you enjoyed this guide, be sure to explore other features and tips of Miro for even more productivity boosts. Happy creating!